Hi guys, welcome to tutorial Race, and in this video I am going to discuss about how to get the index of an item in collection. In this ngFor series we have already showed you that how you can use ngFor directive to iterate the items, to display the item from an array. And then I also, in the last video, in section 2 of this video, I also displayed you that how you can use tag by to prevent the regeneration of the DOM elements, and this is really very efficient, because if the data, the items is very large, in that case ngFor track by really is handy, because it updates the elements which is only required. And in this section I'm going to display you that how you can display the index of an item in collection. So let me show you with a practical example. In our example, we will store the index in template input variable I. The variable is then used in the td element where we want to display the index. We will use the let keyword to create the template input variable I. So in our this HTML students list HTML file, we just need to change this code, and here I have added the code, replacing that code where it says let I index. And then that I we want to display here. We write here as ID, and here too let's add an additional td where it will say I. Okay, so there seems to be wrong here. It will be I. So index equals to I. We are storing the index into I, and ultimately we are displaying that I value here. So let's check the example. As you can see, it is displaying the index from 0, starting from 0. And if you want to start this item from 1 rather than 0, in that case you can change here slight bit, simply put here 1. Now you can see it starts from 1 rather than 0. Yes, so it's displaying 1, 2, 3, 4. So as per your requirement you can change this ID and index also. So that's it in this video, and in the next video I will show you how to display the first and the last element in this ngFor. So stay connected and see you in the next video.